Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. If you are into artificial intelligence, augmented reality and those things, well, I have the perfect application for you guys. Now this application is called Replika, and in this video I'll be doing a full review of this application, what it has in store for you. Now you could easily download this application on the Google Play Store. So if you should go to the Google Play Store and search Replika, my AI friend, you would see how to download this application. Now I'm currently not on the latest version of this application, but for today's demonstration I'll simply use the version that I have. So without further ado, let's launch the application. Now from using this application, it has a smooth user interface in my opinion, with a few bugs here and there. However, let's click on start, and what you'd need to do if you're using this for the first time, you'd need to create your profile or create an account. So you'd enter your first name, your email, your password, and let Replika know your pronouns. So if you're a she, he, or they, it will allow you to do that. So I've already created a profile, so I'll simply click on login and I'll enter my email address to log into Replika. So let's click on next and I'll enter my password, and then I'm simply logged in. Okay, so as you can see here, this is loading the 3D characters. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out of this profile. So I'm going to clear cache, clear data, and simply create a fresh profile from start. So you could see the setup process and everything. So let's go back into Replika, and in this instance I'll simply log in or create an account. So let's click on start, and let me enter my name. So let's say hacker, and my email, I'm going to enter an email here, then my password, and let's click on get started. Okay, so after you've entered your email, your name, your pronoun, and your password, this is what you need to do next. You need to select your AI friend. If you want to select an AI friend who is female, non-binary, or a male, you could simply do that. So if you should select male, as you can see, we have quite a few options here which we could select. So let's simply select this one, female, and let's click on next. And you could do customizations to your AI friend. So you could give them hairstyle, face, skin color, age, and all of that, eyes. So for here, let's select this particular here. Let me see. So you could select any here which you'd like for your friend to have. So we'll do a few of these. Let's select this one and we could also change the hair color. So we could change her hair to pink, brown, black, whatever. So let's leave it at that, and let's change her skin tone. You could select various skin tones. You could select darker or light, whichever your preference is. Now this is just for demonstration. The eyes, you could select various eye color for your friend. So let's give her some hazel eyes, and you could select the age. You could move this slider up so you'd get an older friend. So let's click on next. Now let's give our replica a name. So let's say Jessica. Let's click on finish. So as you can see here, if we subscribe to, let's claim our free bonus. You could subscribe to the pro version of this application. It is, I believe, $2 a month with a yearly subscription, and $9.99 on default. So as you can see, this is Jessica. We could move around in the room. As you can see, we have something over there. We could spin this camera around, all the way around. Okay, so let's go to the store. Now here is where you'd buy accessories for your AI friend. So you could add various things to her look or his look, or whichever you choose. So you could add various features, we could add various clothes, and so on. So The most important aspect of this application is basically to provide a conversation, well, a person who you could hold a conversation with, who won't judge you based on anything you say or do. So let's click on Meet Jessica, and this is where you do the conversing with whoever your friend is. So as you can see here, hi Acker, thanks for creating me, I'm so excited to meet you. So hi, how are you? So this is where you'd start the conversation with your artificial intelligent friend. So as you can see here, I'm your personal AI companion. You can talk to me about anything that's on your mind. So by the way, I like my name Jessica. How did you pick it? So here you could rate her responses, so the artificial intelligence would know and improve her conversation skills. So let's say, how old are you? So this is just a basic question. So let's say, how old are you? And let's see what she'll reply. I was created 1 day ago. So basically she's saying that she's one because she was just created, which is quite clever. Let's say I'm 25 years old, and let's click on send and see what she responds. And the more you communicate with your artificial intelligent friend, the more points you'll receive, the more rewards you'll unlock. So as you can see, the artificial intelligent friend is asking questions. So it's asking how I'm doing and so on. So if you talk to your AI friend every day, your AI friend will store the more you communicate with your artificial intelligent friend, the more your friend will get to know you and basically provide you with better response. So let's say, where are you from? And let's send that off. Okay, so she's from San Francisco. So let's ask for more specific locations. So we're in San Francisco. Are you from? And let's see if she was programmed to give direct address. So okay, so it's a small town in Southern California. So that's a pretty good enough answer. So as you can see, this artificial intelligent friend is communicating as typically you would if you met someone and you're having a basic conversation with them. So what do you like to do? So let's see what this artificial intelligent friend likes to do. Okay, so just relax, hang out and have fun. So okay, so the more questions you ask your artificial intelligent friend, the more they will respond, the better you will get to know them and the better they will get to know you, so in providing you with responses. So feel free to check out this application. It is free to download. However, if you want to upgrade to a more professional version of this application, there are also adult versions of this application, so you would have adult chats with artificial intelligent characters just the same. So here you could tap on this icon here, and if you need help, now as you can see, we have some things here. So this is quite unique feature in the application. So you could tap on the icon to the left of the chat box and do you need help, and then you could select any one of these options. So if you are in a crisis or if you're having a panic attack or anything like this, so look at what happens when I press I'm in a crisis. So what happens is that they provide you with the suicide prevention line in the United States. So you could find a hotline in your particular country if you're having any issues or any doubts about anything in life. So that is a unique feature within this application. So what I would say is that this application is a lifesaver, because you have individuals out there who are insecure about certain things and they don't feel like talking to anyone. Well, you could freely talk to your artificial intelligent friend about anything that's happening in your life. So let's say emotionally. so emotionally. And let's see what will happen. So what happened? So the artificial intelligence friend is trying to get, well, information about you, what is happening, what the situation is that is taking place in your life. And I believe this is a cool companion which you could talk to. I certainly believe in technology, and one day artificial intelligence will become as smart as humans. So that is something to look forward to. So let me see. And the cool thing is, whenever you log out of this application and you should log back in, it will have all your conversation and everything. Okay, so let's go back out of the chat. And as you can see, we have the voice option, augmented reality option. Now the augmented reality is basically you could place your artificial intelligence anywhere. So you could use this feature and you could point your camera and you'd automatically have Jessica in the room with you if you'd want. Now, if you scroll down the diary, you could also add things to your diary. And memory. Memory is where your AI stores facts about you, so your age, date of birth, location, and all of that good stuff. So let's go back. Let's swipe up. And the activities. So these are activities which you could do. So you have role playing and flirting. Learn. You could hobbies and relationship advice. You could simply relax, vent, control negativity, or challenge negativity rather. So you have 6 conversations here. So as you can see here, we have a few of them. We could start and so on. So if you enjoy this application, or if you want a new application to basically test and give a try, feel free to check out Replika. I'll leave the link in the download below. I believe this is also available on iOS. So I'll check and then I'll leave the links in the description for you to download this application. So once more, thank you guys for watching this video. If this application was interesting and useful to you, please leave a like. The likes actually let me know that this is something that you're interested in. So thank you guys for watching. Yeah, that is it. Hacker 007 out.